Hello kids, welcome to the channel. Today we'll learn about A to Z. Let's start the video, but remember, repeat with me. Let's go. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cow.
C for cow.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for igloo.
I for igloo.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nose.
N for nose.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rat.
R for rat.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for well.
W for well.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yarn.
Y for yard.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Let's repeat it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So kids, hope you understand the alphabet and memorize it. Thanks for watching the video और हाँ, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलना है और साथ ही से करना है लाइक और शेयर, जिससे इसका फायदा दूसरों को भी मिले। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय।